Good morning, children. Today I'm going to tell you a story on giving trees, right? About nature and how nature is always nourishing us, right? How it is always providing us the best things, the fruits that we eat, the oxygen that we breathe, the water, the fuel, the shade, everything. So let's read the story today. Humans are assisted by nature in their nourishing. Look at the picture and mention what do you take from them and what do we give back. Yes, so you see the picture of a tree, of a garden there, and the tree is giving us fruits. We are getting fresh air, we are getting fresh river water, we get fuel, and in return what we give them? We give them nothing, right? Sometimes what we do, we pluck their flowers, we pluck their fruits, right? We use trees wood to build our house, or to use to burn wood for cooking, right? Sometimes we cut trees to get paper, to get fuel, and in return we are not giving anything to nature. So we should always plant trees, children, so that when trees and nature is giving us, we should also return it back. If we have more trees, then we have more greenery, we have fresh fruits, flowers, beautiful nature and beautiful atmosphere, right? So let's read the story now. Once there was a tree and she loved a little boy, and every day the boy would come and he would gather her leaves and make them into a crown. He would climb up the trunk and swing from one branch and eat apples. And when he is tired, he would sleep in her shade. So there was a small little boy who used to always come and play in an apple tree. Now he used to swing from one branch to other, eat apples, and when he gets tired, he used to sit down in the shade of the tree. But time went by, the boy grew older and the tree was often alone. Then one day the boy came to the tree and the tree said, "Come boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from branches and eat apple and play in the shade and be happy." "I am too big to climb and play," said the boy. "I want to buy things to have fun. I want some money." "I am sorry," said the tree, "but I have no money." "Take my apples, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy." So now this boy has grown up. He's coming to the tree. Now tree is very happy. Tree is saying, "Come, come, come, boy, you have come after a very long time. Now climb my branches, eat fruit and be happy." So the boy is saying, "Now I'm a grown up boy. I don't want to climb your branches and play around with your branches. I want money to have fun." So the tree is saying, "I don't have money, but what I can do for you is, you take down my fruit, you pluck the apples, sell it in the market and you will get money, and that way you can buy whatever you want and be happy." So the boy climbed up the tree and gathered her apples and carried them away, and the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for long and the tree was sad. So बच्चा एप्पल तोड़ के लेके चला जाता है और फिर काफ़ी दिनों तक ट्री से मिलने नहीं आता है, तो ट्री सैड हो जाती है. And then one day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy and said, "Come boy, climb up my trunk and swing the branches and be happy." "I am too busy to climb trees," said the boy. I want a house to keep me warm," he said. "Can you give me a house?" "I have no house," said the tree. "The forest is my house, but you can cut my branches and build a house. Then you will be happy." And so the boy cut off the branches and carried them away and built a house, and the tree was happy. So after few years the boy came again. Now he's a grown up boy. The tree is saying, "Come, come, come, now you again climb the branches, eat apple and relax and be happy." So the boy is saying, "Now I am grown up, I don't climb trees, right? Now I want to build a house that will keep me warm." So the tree is saying, "Forest is my house, I don't have a house. However, you can take my branches, cut my branches and make a house for you, for yourself." So now the man has cut the branches and took it and made a nice house for him and stayed happily. The boy stayed away for a long again, and when he came back, the tree was so happy that she could hardly speak. "Come boy," she whispered, "come and play. I am too old and sad to play, said the boy. I want a boat that will take me far away from here. Can you give me a boat? Cut my trunk and make a boat, said the tree. Then you can sail away happily. So the boy cut down the trunk and made a boat and sailed away. Now the boy was now more big. He was turning into an elder person. And when he came to see the tree again, the tree was very happy. However, now the tree was also getting old. उसके फ्रूट्स चले गए थे, ब्रांचेस चली गई थी, तो वो भी थोड़ी ओल्ड हो गई थी. तो ट्री बॉय से बोलती है वो कम कम कम, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी यू. सो बॉय इज सेइंग नाउ आई वांट अ बोट. Tree is saying you cut down my trunk and make a boat and sail away happily. So man does that. He cuts the trunk and makes a boat. And the tree was happy but not really. And after a long time the boy came back. I am sorry boy, said the tree, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. My teeth are too weak for apples, said the boy. My branches are frail, said the tree. You cannot swing on them. I am too old to swing on your branches, said the boy. My trunk is gone, said the tree. You cannot climb them. I am too tired to climb, said the boy. I am sorry, sighed the tree. I wish that I could give something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry, but I don't need very much now, said the boy. Just a quiet place to sit and relax. I am very tired. Well, said the tree, straightening herself up and as much as she could. Well, on old stump is good for sitting and resting. The boy sat down. Sit down and rest. And the old boy did. The tree was happy. So now the boy has turned into an old man, and he comes again to the tree. Now the tree is saying, I can't give you anything anymore. I don't have apples. My branches are weak so that you can't swing. I don't have a trunk. What I left is a small piece of wood here. You can sit. So the man is saying, now I don't want anything. I just want a small place where I can sit and relax. So the tree says, you can sit here on my trunk and relax. And the boy sat there and the tree was very happy. So see children, what all things do we get from tree, and in return what we give nothing to them. We pluck their flowers, we pluck their fruits, we pluck their leaves, right? We hurt them by cutting them, we make paper from them, we make house from them, we make boats from them. But we forget that while taking this from the tree, we should also return something to them. And how do we return something to them? By giving them water, by keeping them safe, by giving them good fertilizers, by planting more and more trees, so that in future we should always have shade, we should always have fresh fruits and fresh air, and our atmosphere and our surroundings should always look good, right? This was the story about the giving tree, and I want you guys to read the lesson thoroughly and always try to plant more trees. If you can't plant, please don't pluck them. If you have a tree or a small plant in your house or nearby your house, make sure that you water them daily. Okay, this is what we can give to Mother Nature. In return, Mother Nature is giving us so much, right? The tree is giving us so much. So I will see you in the next class with one more story and the word meanings and the question answers of this chapter. Till that time children, take care and keep planting trees. Bye bye.